Hey, Mike Scully here. How you doing? Hope you're keeping well. Glad to have you here. Glad to have you watching this and learning how to monetize through social media. And I'll go through the funnel and the system and tell you exactly how it should be set up and where your skill set should lie and so on. But first, just a little piece about myself and who am I, right? And why am I even here talking to you and how have you even managed to get this video, right? So I'm 25 years old. I'm from Ireland. I'm a freelancer who builds landing pages. I coach others. I travel a lot where possible, right? I currently make approximately 20 grand a month through just freelancing, right? So just through my landing page agency, and it's a life-changing experience. Okay. I work from essentially wherever I want. My interests are cars, fitness, providing results, which is super important, learning and traveling. Okay. This is what I enjoy doing, and this is what I get to do every single day. So how did I get here? I grew up in a small town in Cork in Ireland. I worked over 5 years as a telecommunications engineer, half 8 to 7 most days, including a lot of weekends for that overtime, 60 plus hours a week easily, to be honest, just to make a little over 3 grand a month. So not easy, worked a lot for it. So yeah, failed my exams in school, barely got through that. I was lucky to get my apprenticeship to work as a telecommunications engineer, to be honest with you. I wanted to leverage the internet, travel a lot, and buy my dream car, so on, as everyone wants to do, help family, etc. Right? The easiest skill for me to learn was landing pages. Right? I sell them through Twitter to a point I don't really need to advertise them anymore. And I'm very lucky to be able to do that because I built such a good network from Twitter. This is the opportunities that you can have on social media platforms. And again, I'll talk you through the funnel in just a moment. But a lot of referrals, a lot of business partners, like I make bank from it, like literally, right? So I decided to start helping others from there. Now, why am I showing you this? This is a guide I wish I had at the beginning of my journey. No question about it. I love helping others and seeing people win. This means I can help people at scale for just $0 a cost on their end, right? And it just takes up a small bit of my time. It's absolutely worth it. I want to give more value in my free stuff than people have in their paid stuff. Right, so let's talk about the social media leverage. And let me get rid of myself, make myself a little smaller and over here a bit more discreet. So, social media leverage, right, from the beginning. Okay, I'll use the mouse here. You have an optimized profile. What does that look like? It looks like this, let's say. And it looks like some of my students like this. All right, you have a clean profile picture of your face, maybe you have your branding colors behind it. You have a banner here that says exactly what you do, conversion rate optimization and landing pages for Shopify brands. He's targeting, he's calling out his ideal customer and stating exactly what he does here, right? He helps Shopify brands scale with CRO and landing pages, and then the trust factors here, okay? From there, he has a pinned thread. Very, very important to have this. To show you briefly, another student of mine, Alex, again, profile picture, branding, what he does, who he sells it for, and his bio. And this applies to any offer. We can look at Helmi, for example. Again, YouTube for business owners, profile picture, branding, nice bio, link for his website in here. Like, this is how it works, okay? That's how your profile should be optimized. You need an engagement strategy. Okay, from there, you have your optimized profile. Now you need an engagement strategy. What I do is I created a list on Twitter. If I go here again, if I go to my feed, I have a list. Now it's called Mike Scully, but I just put certain creators in there. So how do you create that list? Come in here to your standard list and you can edit it from here. Okay, and you can delete it, etc. Right. So that's the list, and you can actually share this with people as well. I have a lot of big creators in here that I'll comment on as much as possible. That's the engagement strategy. 20, 30, 40 plus messages a day. I've seen people send 100 plus, not messages, but outbound comments a day. That's your engagement strategy. Reply to everyone that contents or post on your own content as well. Now, with that engagement strategy is your own posting. Well, how many times are you going to post today? What is your plan there? For me, I post on average, I think it's 4.1 times a day, what it works out to. And that is about how often I post, 4 to 5 times a day, generally. Sometimes it's less, but that's generally the case. You need to get to that level as well. Now, pick your social media platform. For me, it's Twitter primarily, and I do a lot of YouTube as well. And some Instagram and TikTok, but that's kind of in the background, okay? Twitter is just the easiest place to grow. It's the easiest place to generate leads. Now, from here, you can go 3 ways, okay? You can go from your platform, from your profile, your optimized profile, to your landing page, which is plugged again, as I showed you from my students, in your bio. And then people directly book a call. So that's one way you can get book calls. Have an optimized profile, have an engagement strategy where people find you, and then straight to the landing page and they book a call. Okay. Now, that landing page does need to be optimized as well. It needs to be a good page, okay, to get book calls and social proof, etc. Now, another way is you pick your social media platform again, let's say Twitter. You hit them with your content, right? You've, again, those 4 or 5 posts a day. That is good content. It's actionable advice. You're plugging your services. You're telling them to book a call here, right? So you have your content types here and your strategy, then they book a call through that. Okay, it's as easy as that. But with content, you need, to be honest, if I was being real, you need to be 3 threads a week. You need, well, to be honest, even 4 would do, 4 threads. You need those 4 tweets a day, individual tweets, three of them minimum. You need images daily, if possible. Now, I don't even get to all this. Like, this is a lot of work, but this would be peak, okay, on Twitter. And videos as well, 3 or 4 times a week, and 1 giveaway a week. These are hard. It's hard to get to this point, but it would be important to do so. Now, from there, again, you pick your social media platform, let's say Twitter, start sending outbound DMs. 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 outbound DMs a day would be unbelievable. Okay, then you have a DM strategy, essentially, then you get a booked call. So these are the 3 primary ways where you can get booked calls from Twitter. Okay, now with your content, it needs to be educational, engaging, or lifestyle, and plug your service. Okay, these are all important. So this is the social media leverage funnel. Okay, you have 3 different ways to get book calls: through the DMs, through your content, and through your landing page. Optimize all these and you will see success. Focus on it for a number of months. You will see success. There's no question about it. Any questions, send me a message. If you want to book a call, actually have a conversation with me for free and see how I could potentially help you, there'll be a link somewhere. Maybe it's below this video or in the DM or in the description that I sent. And look, we have an offer at the moment. It's insane. It's not going to last forever, but it's a guaranteed 3 to 10 high ticket clients in 6 months, or you get a full refund on your money. So it's guaranteed success. So you get a full refund. So book a call wherever it may be. It might be in this video as well. Take a look for that. Pick a time that suits you, and I'll talk to you personally, and we'll go from there. Take care. Talk soon.